Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Naga-imo, also known as mountain yam, is a highly nutritious root vegetable with many health benefits. It could improve your digestive health and boost your immune system. Look it up on Google for more health benefits. Although it's called a yam, its taste and texture are nothing like those of the North American yams. Naga-imo is popular in Japanese cuisine and can be eaten either raw or cooked. It has a mild sweet taste and a crispy texture when consumed raw. When cooked, it becomes soft, similar to taro or potato, but much softer because of its higher water and lower starch content compared to them. Naga-imo is very slimy and sticky when peeled or cut. You may experience itchy hands after peeling it. If you have sensitive skin, wear a pair of gloves. Peel carefully. It is slippery. Wash thoroughly. There may be times when you have to lightly peel off the dirt stuck on its slimy surface. Cut into about 3 inches rounds, then cut into wide strips. And we are ready to get started. You need to prepare a few slices of ginger, chicken stock or water, 2 tablespoons of goji berries to add some sweetness. Did you know the goji berries are high in antioxidants and are considered a superfood? 1 tablespoon of oil. Saute the ginger on medium heat for about 30 seconds to get its flavor out. Add in the naga-imo. Naga-imo gets softer as it's cooked longer, so the amount of water needed varies with cooking time. For a soft texture, just add enough water to cover the naga-imo. Cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes or until they can be cut easily with a spatula. Add in the goji berries and cook for another minute. If you prefer a crispy texture, shorten the cooking time and add the goji berry just 1 minute before the naga-imo is ready. That's it! It's done. Season it with salt and pepper to bring out the mild sweet taste of the naga-imo and goji berries. You should definitely give this recipe a try the next time when you see naga-imo in a supermarket. Naga-imo is not only delicious but also offers excellent nutritional benefits. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.